What's up, yo? How everyone going? Alright. So, I was a little off for the time being that has passed by. You know me, wasn't ready. I was coding, but I was doing a lot of learning, learning. I was kind of mixing it in like how they do it in universities, different courses you go. So I was kind of like mixing it in with some hacking and then learning from some memory training, and then and then the next one was SQL. SQL, because I'm going through SQL right now in this process, learning the frameworks and testing it out. But I still have the first page for my new site that I am building here. And look, it's located right here. Alright, seen it right here? Yep. This is what I have been developing for the past. It was long because I wasn't doing it incrementally, because I gotta go through the steps first, pass it. I know. So, yeah, so let me run this. Which one is run? Is this one? Oh yeah. Run in Google.com. Yeah, so I'm running this right now. So in the process of launching the application, I'm telling you, I was on some 7 years of my life just went down because I was now getting into entrepreneurship and business, and I really love technology, like computer science, physics, chemistry, biology, you just name it. Once it's science and technology, and a little bit of human management, like economies and of that scale, because based on things that happen, you tend to see what's going on now. And people thought I was mad. I actually almost went madhouse. But after I do a lot of research and realize how the world works, that just ticked me off for sure. I was like, no. So, but I come to realize now, the skills that people know now, the older generation don't know. But we don't know the skills what the older generation have to survive in the wild. But we cannot survive in the wild. Most of us know how to survive in the human economy system, meaning civilization. So, I'm not gonna go into the details right now, but I'll talk about all of these things incrementally as time goes by. And all that. I don't really want to force it, do editing for these videos, because I spend so much time learning and preparing to build my startup. So I'm just gonna make this as a normal talk show. So I might talk in my other knowledge in while. Alright, so I actually see there are new templates and new ways of developing sites right now, of how they implement it and how they look. I just go with this one because I remember I learned this process before I stopped. Before I stopped and I got back into it, because I was on some kind of meditation with them mad people giving, with them doctors getting, but I swear it made you go more mad, all that kind of things. So alright, so based on what is alright, so from the last time I showed this is the same way still, but this is just my finish improvement I did for it. So right here, running well, you see how they made the page and everything, and see how that is, and so so how about that in your face? Carnival race in this space. You watch out Cause she's on my back. I'm gonna give her a heart attack. Boop, boop, boop. Yeah. Alright. Okay, so, yeah, so, well, just showing you the last thing why I structured this. Yeah, have it looking a little prettier. Alright, so, cut that. Yeah, and think again. So, I'm going back over to, next office. Going back over to my. Alright, so I'm gonna cut off this recording and I'm gonna go back and continue my studies now on my practice. So, to you all people out there, listen out, it's your bones. What's this? What's this? Anyway, let's see it bones. I think I gotta delete that there. Class divs. Alright, everybody. Thanks. Let me see you.